Hey, did you know that almost every single day someone says to me, you eat food? I thought you juiced. I thought you were on a juicing diet. I'm like, no, I'm not on a juicing diet. Yes, I drink a juice. I drink a green juice every single morning, but I'm not on a juicing diet. It's the only juice that I get all day. Every day I eat. I eat a lot of food. You would be so surprised if you found out how much I eat. I mean, I'll be honest and tell you, I eat between 5 and 7 pounds of produce every single day. And the second question that I get asked every day is, are you a vegetarian? No, I'm not a vegetarian. Yes, my diet is composed of mostly vegetables and fruits, but I am not a vegetarian. I eat pork, I eat beef, I eat chicken, I eat fish. I cover all the bases. And honestly, AIP would really, really like you to eat the super nutrient dense meat, such as liver and what do they call them? Offal, O-F-A-L. That's what they call it. And I am not a big proponent of that. I know that we're supposed to be. I do drink bone broth, but I have a really hard time with the offals, if that's what they're called. But I think that's common for a lot of people, and I've had really, really good healing regardless, just by eating the protein that I eat every day and all of the vegetables that I eat as well. So anyway, put your fears at rest, you guys. It's not about being a vegetarian. It's not a juice diet. It's not a fad. It's returning to the old-fashioned way of clean eating, no processed foods, no preservatives, and taking away foods that are common triggers for the human body and for the gut. It's about healing the gut and finding out what works for you and what works for your system, and then personalizing it, and then making your way back to as normal of a diet as possible, but far away from the standard American diet. That's our goal. So I hope that answers your question.